In this short video, today I am going to discuss a very important topic, a very practical topic, which is commonly followed in the field of soil mechanics, and I will show my personal experience. I will show my personal practical work, how I am working at site. So, we start moisture content. So, moisture content is the percentage of water, the percentage of moisture present in a soil sample is called moisture content. If we have a sample of soil and the total weight of water divided by the total weight of soil, so the total weight of water divided by the total weight of a dry soil. So the formula now commonly used for M is equal to total weight of a sample, total weight of a soil sample minus total dry weight of a sample divided by total dry weight of a soil sample. Means the W is the weight of a sample in which water, voids and air are present. It is called W. And the weight of a soil sample after weight of a soil sample after excluding W of water minus total weight minus weight of water is equal to WD. So the W of dry is equal to total weight of a sample minus total weight of water. So this will be count. So this is the formula for content, moisture content and percentage. Now the second formula, a very important role in the field of soil mechanics and practical works, especially in roads, dams, railways, airports and highway, motorways, etc. Unit weight of a soil. So unit weight of a soil means density of soil. Because of how to find out the density of soil, so normally the density is denoted by the total weight of soil sample divided by total volume. So the total the unit of density is kg per cubic meter or pound per cubic feet. So density is denoted by gamma and is equal to total weight of a soil sample divided by the total volume of a container in which this soil sample is collected. So the density bulk density is especially the weight of a soil divided by the volume, so this is called bulk density. The third formula commonly used for dry density. So the dry density is the dry weight of a matter divided by volume. So this is the dry density, and it's because we know that weight in kg, volume divided by cubic meter. So the unit of dry density or any type of density, any type of unit weight will be in kg cubic meter, in mk is system, mk meter kilogram and seconds, or and fps foot pound second. So in foot pound second it will be pounds per cubic feet. So the fourth and last formula commonly used in soil mechanics, which is specific gravity of a soil. So specific gravity is normally the ratio between any body, the density ratio between density of a body divided by density of water. So the density of a body is commonly will be find out by this formula and this formula. And the density of water is constant because of the density of water is 1000 kilogram per cubic meter, or 1 gram per cubic centimeter, 1 gram. So this is constant, and this specific gravity is denoted by G, and it has no unit because of density of a body is kg per cubic meter divided by density of water in kg per cubic meter. So these both has been cancelled. These formulas are practically used in the field of soil mechanics, and I am going to show my practical experience and in my today field work. So in my next video, inshallah, I will show my practical works, how to find out the field density test, how to find out the compaction of a soil for a building or a road. So best of luck, goodbye, thank you for watching. If you like the video, so kindly share, subscribe and press the bell icon for more informative videos. Thank you.